What are the pros and cons of quartz countertops? Dear friends, quartz countertops are one of the most popular choices in modern homes today. They are engineered stone surfaces made from natural quartz mixed with resins and pigments, offering a perfect balance of beauty and performance. One of the biggest advantages of quartz countertops is their durability. Quartz is extremely hard and resistant to scratches, chips, and cracks. This makes it ideal for busy kitchens where daily wear and tear is common. Another major pro is low maintenance. Quartz countertops are non-porous, so they do not absorb liquids. This means they are highly resistant to stains, bacteria, and moisture, and they don't require sealing like natural stone. Quartz also offers a wide range of colors and designs. From marble look patterns to solid modern shades, quartz can easily match different interior styles while maintaining a consistent appearance. However, quartz countertops do come with a few drawbacks. One of the main cons is cost. High-quality quartz can be expensive compared to laminate or basic tile options. Heat resistance is another limitation. While quartz is durable, it can be damaged by extreme heat, so hot pots and pans should not be placed directly on the surface. Lastly, quartz is not suitable for outdoor use. Prolonged exposure to direct sunlight can cause discoloration over time. In conclusion, quartz countertops offer durability, style, and low maintenance, but they require careful use and a higher budget. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.